With the actual ESUB itself installed, now I have my gun assembly, and as you would see, it was fairly easy to load. At this point, I would use my thread protectors, install my thread protectors, both lower and top, to protect everything. But for the purposes of this show, I would like to make sure everybody understands that all you have to do to arm this on a location would be to start at the top, connect your top to your adapter up here with your verifier. Now you would be able to read continuity through your gun assembly, and you would only to arm it, all that's needed is to insert the CFC, the control fire cartridge in place, threaded in place, and then you can do a check with your verifier to make sure it reads it. Then the next gun, arm it, read it, check, next gun, and so forth. It's very simple, and this was why in the unconventional markets that many of the companies have gone to the cartridge system.